Welcome to Living Off the Van. We're the Nolders, Henry and Sarah, along with our 3 kids, Nyoka, Kiana and Louie. We've packed up our everyday lives to travel Australia with no known end date. Watch and subscribe to Living Off the Van to follow our adventures and see all the amazing places we go. Where are we now, Henry?
Bermagui. Is that right?
Yeah.
Bit hard to pronounce this one.
We had to ask someone how to pronounce it.
Yeah, we stayed at around Bega last night, so we went to Bega because we always wanted to drive through there and see what that place was all about, but decided that we would keep moving on to here and have a look around here, and we've picked an alright day. It was raining inland, but we're on the coast again now and it's dry. Well, it's drying. It rained last night, obviously.
Dad, it's really shallow.
Is it?
Right there.
Jeez, this too.
Oh, you can see the bottom, yeah. I reckon you can get some prawns in there.
There is always two there.
Nothing like going to a Sunday market. Bit of education today, okay? What are you doing? Yuck! Yeah. Get out of my bed. Yuck, Louie. Bermagui, what is it? Blue Rock Pool. Someone in the car park just told us there's some seals sunbaking down here, so we'll have a look at those too.
What are they? They're seals, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they're all floating on their back.
Where's that one that you
Look at the seals. Oh, they're so camouflage. I need my glasses on.
Don't splash, please. No.
Louie, come and walk. What's that? Just chill, just chill, just chill. It's pushing it so hard into my hand. Oh, that's not a After having a swim at the Blue Pool, we have headed out to Horsehead Rock to have a look, see what's out here. That looks so nice.
Pretty cool view. Look at those waves, it's good.
It's bloody hot. We should have actually bought swimmers. You're always prepared.
Always in me swimmers. It's the only thing I've packed. Every pair of shorts I've got 4 shorts. Tilba. It's a historic town. Everything's heritage listed. Cool, as we're at another Kubra stockist, so we'll see if we can find ourselves our hats.
Oh look. They're like sausage dogs.
Must be heritage listed sausages.
Oh, it's so soft.
They know where they belong anyway.
Sorry.
These are all so soft.
Well, they didn't have a hat that fit Henry. But they did for me. I got the territory.
When can I get a hat?
Yeah, that's probably good.
Yeah.
I reckon.
So we're wandering around in Tilba in that town, and we met a couple of locals at the pub.
We were just
And
walking past the pub and they were sitting out the
yeah,
front.
they called out to us like living off the van. And yeah, we got talking, and they're fellow caravanners, and they had a friend that was with them as well,
Ow! Ow!
called Sonia. Anyway, she's said offered us a little place for us to park our van for as long as we want.
Yeah, we actually went up to them and they said, "Oh, you're living off the van?" And said, "Yeah, we're travelling around Australia." And we said, "Oh, you don't know of any local little camp spots or free camping around here, do ya?"
Yeah.
And yeah, Sonia come out and she goes, "Come stay at my place."
So, and here we are.
So she's got, what is it, 300 acres, little farm with lots of animals and everything. So we're parked up here and we're going to stay for a few days. So it's really cool.
This is it. We get our own little wombat too. So I just had to come in through this gate.
Little wombat barrow. What are you doing? She's just got to maneuver out. Such a cool spot. We're so thankful we met Sonia yesterday. Now we are off to, well, we don't really know, just north a little bit. We'll go and try and find some really good service because the kids need to smash out some schoolwork. And yeah, that's what we're up to now. What's out there, Louis?
Can you see the cow?
Where's the little calf that chases the car? He'll crack up at that.
It's like a dog, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's funny.
It's like a sheepdog.
But it's a cow.
It's a cow dog. He's trying to get out the window.
Almost his whole body.
Louis, where's the cows? Stop! Just stand in it.
Moo. He keeps standing on me.
Moo.
No.
No, it's like a whole
What's that?
Ruby and Tinkerbell.
They all want the phone.
Just really slugging. You need a little bit frightening.
Louis just fell asleep and he would have been like, what a day. I don't think he's seen a cow up close, has
It's all right. Hold the bucket for him.
he?
Just pick up the bucket and then he'll come to you. It's all right. Shake it a bit. All right, that's it. Now pat him with the other hand.
He's
Yeah,
very
that's it.
wasteful, mate. You're feeding
Yes.
the birds.
What's that? Keep going! Go! Goodbye!